Good morning everyone. Myself is a student of class 10 from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School. Today I will be explaining the concept of salt and its uses. Salt. Salt is an ionic compound which is made when neutralization reaction takes place between an acid and a salt. Acid and a base. General formula is acid plus base give rises to salt and water. For example, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide give rises to sodium chloride and water. Here sodium chloride is a salt. Now I am going to explain some common salts. First one is bleaching powder. Calcium hydroxide plus chlorine give rises to calcium hypochlorite plus water. Here calcium hypochlorite is bleaching powder. Uses of bleaching powder are: it is used to bleach cloths in industries. It is also used for disinfecting of drinking water. Baking soda, NaCl plus H2O plus carbon dioxide plus ammonium give rises to ammonium chloride plus sodium hydrogen carbonate. Here sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. Baking soda is used in preparation of bakery items such as cakes. It is also used to make baking powder. Next is washing soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, when heated, it gives rises to sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. When sodium carbonate reacts with 10 atoms of hydrogen water, it gives rises to sodium carbonate decahydrate, which is washing soda. Washing soda is used in the washing of clothes. Next is plaster of Paris. So, plaster of Paris is used in medical, which is used for treatment of fractures. It is also used to fill the broken gaps in the walls. It is also used to make toys. Thank you.